Hello everyone, welcome back. From today onwards, we are going to see creating program in Python. We will start from string programs and one by one all the sequence programs we will be seeing. We will be discussing one program per day, but that program in detail. If you need me to explain any program which you want, you can please put that in the comment so that I will be doing the program for you. In this class, we are going to learn counting characters and words in a string. Let us directly go to the Python window to create program. It is always good habit to give the comment at the top of the program to know about the program what we are doing. Counting number of characters and words in a string. Let me accept a string st is equal to input of. I prompt the user to enter the string. Now if I want to know number of characters, that is total number of characters including everything, simply we can take the length and print. So I say L is equal to len of st. If I don't want to count the spaces and only the characters, I can run a loop. So I am using for loop here for I in st. I will be giving a condition when it is not equal to space, it will not count. So if I is not equal to a space, then I will be counting. I need a variable for that. I will be creating a variable called c initialized as 0. Now I will be saying c plus equal to 1. When it is not equal to space, then it counts. So all the characters are being counted, and then finally I come out of the loop and then print it. Number of characters, that is c. Total number of characters, L. If I want to count the number of words in it, best method is using split function. This will be creating a list. String list is equal to st dot split of. Now each word will be a element of a list. Just I take the length of the list, then that is number of words present in the string. So print number of words in the string. Otherwise we can also take the length before and then take the variable only to print. So I give number of words is equal to len of sl, so that I can print nw here instead of len of sl. Let us run this program. We are learning string programs. Number of characters 27, total number of characters 31 including the space, that is 28, 29, 30 and 31. Number of words in the string is 5. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. In the next class, we will see how to count vowels, consonants, digits and also special characters. Keep watching my channel, keep learning, and also never forget to share those who need to learn programming. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you.